Good morning, it is Sunday and today I thought I would take you along while I prepare myself for the week. I guess it's like a little bit of a Sunday routine. I don't really know where to start though. My apartment is so messy, mostly because of my uni assessment. I have an assessment due tomorrow. The first part was actually due this morning, so I got up early and I finished that off. I set a video live, had breakfast, and now I'm ready, but I do need to do some more work and just finalize everything to hand in tomorrow, but it's a pretty big mess on my kitchen bench and I think I'm going to clean it up and then I'll pull it all back out this afternoon. I need to make my bed, put away some of my suitcase stuff because I was away this week, and just tidy up, get groceries, and just try and get really organized for the week ahead. This is my kitchen bench right now. This is how it has been for the last 2 days just because I've been working away. You can see some of my work here that I've been trying to do. I just need to finish off my journal this afternoon, but I do want to just clean this up, throw out anything that can go into the rubbish, and just get myself a little bit more prepared so that when I come to work on it this afternoon, it'll be a lot easier. Seeing as I'm in the kitchen, I'm going to unpack the dishwasher as well and then also repack it. Someone did ask me the other day about putting on the dishwasher with so little items in it. Well, this is actually just the leftovers. I have been grabbing things out of here over the last day or two, so there was more in here when I did turn it on. I'm going to make my bed and then put away some of the clean washing that I have. At least I've cleaned up part of the things that I wanted to do today. I'm gonna come back later and do my suitcases and just tidy up a few other things. Now I'm gonna head off and go to the markets. I would like some flowers and some groceries just so I have my food for the week. I just got back from the markets and the grocery store, and I'm gonna do a little bit of a grocery haul for you. I haven't done one like this in ages, so I just thought I would share with you the things that I picked up today. Although as I was unpacking, I realized I forgot tomatoes and some baby spinach, but I can always pick those up this afternoon when I go back out or tomorrow or whatever. So it's not really that big of a deal, but I'm gonna go through everything that I got. I picked up some new flowers. I got 3 bunches and I think they look really pretty, but I have to arrange them and put them together, so I'll do that in a moment. I have a bag of mixed colored quinoa because I am out. I have some turkey mince, a steak, some canned chickpeas, and then that's pretty much everything that has packaging. Except for the cucumber. I don't understand why these cucumbers have packaging, but for everything else I try to really avoid the processed sections and the stuff that comes in a lot of packages. So I have some green apples, lemons, cucumber, zucchini, brown onion, red onion, a couple of potatoes, capsicum or a pepper as some people might call it, an avocado, some ginger, some green beans. I don't even put the green beans in a bag. I just grabbed 1 handful because it will go with my steak. And then I have some celery so that I can do some celery juice.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Sometimes I don't realize how many flowers come in the bunches that I get. So I have this big beautiful display just here, but I had some extra flowers and I did a little bunch on the coffee table as well. These are the ones on the coffee table. I think they look so cute. I've definitely gone for a pink sort of vibe this time. I'm just a little bit sad knowing that they will eventually die. I always feel that way whenever I get flowers, knowing that they're gonna die, but I think it looks really cute and fresh. I'm very happy with them. I'm going to do some ingredient and meal prepping for the week just so that everything is really organized.
On our tiptoes,
I am working on multiple different meals at the moment. So I've got some celery for juicing, and then I have cucumber and the pepper cut up for a quinoa salad. I have some green beans prepared for one meal, leftover cucumber for juicing, and then I also have a zucchini that I need to grate as well. And then I'm not sure what else. I think that might be pretty much it in terms of getting everything and ingredient prepping. I have 3 containers of chopped up celery for juicing. I do juice the leaves because I don't really mind the taste, but it can make it a bit bitter, so you can cut the leaves off if you want to, but I just like to use the whole thing. I'm wondering if I should get a bigger container though, so that I can put it all in one rather than continually using such little containers. I don't know, I'll have to think about that one. I just had to redo my makeup because I've never cried so hard while cutting an onion ever. Like, it was so bad, and usually red onions I'm totally fine. It's the brown onions that make me cry, but that time that was really bad. I destroyed pretty much all my makeup and had to like redo it and fix it. I've actually run out of time. I really wanted to make a quinoa salad, but I have to duck out for a bit, so I'm thinking that maybe I'll come back and just finish the meal prep this afternoon. I just got home, and you probably wouldn't believe it, but it is so dark in here. It's been about 5 hours since I started this video, and I just do not feel like I have done enough today, and it's so frustrating when time just slips away like that. So I've just been out for the last maybe 2 hours. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it took 2 hours. But now that I'm back, I am going to pop on a couple of loads of washing because I just haven't had a chance during the week to stay on top of my clothes washing. So I'm going to do that so that I'm ready for the week, and then I'm going to get back in and finish the meal prep, and then I can finally finish off the final touches of this assessment that's due tomorrow. The quinoa is almost done, and I have the rest of the ingredients here. So I have the dressing, which is lemon, oil, garlic, and salt. Then I have some parsley and coriander, the onion, chickpeas, cucumber, and the capsicum.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
My camera battery died, which is really annoying, so it's been charging and I've just been pottering around, but my quinoa salad is done and it's delicious, and I've got plenty for the rest of the week. And then I've just made myself some dinner, so I've got a steak and some potatoes. I'm going to eat this and then just get on with the rest of the chores and things that I have to do.
Out of sand, reaching for the ground.
It's 8:30 and I've pretty much done everything that I wanted to do today, except a few things. My suitcases are still sitting on the floor over there. That might have to wait until tomorrow. I'm just going to hang out one more load of washing when the washing machine is done, and I'm going to get in and just do the final little touches on an assessment that is due tomorrow. But I am so tired. I went to bed last night at 9:15. I don't know why or how, but I went to bed so early, so I feel like, being that it's 8:30, it's almost bedtime. So hopefully this doesn't take too long and I can maybe go to bed really early and then just get up at like 6 or something and have a few more extra hours tomorrow morning. This assessment that is due tomorrow, part of it was due this morning and I've already done that. The other part is this visual diary that I've been working on. You would have seen it in one of my other videos, and I just have to go through and annotate it because some of my pages are blank. Like for example, I have nothing written here and I just need to go through and explain everything. I need to do some headings and some explanations on this page. But yeah, this is what we had to do. It's just a series of drawings, experimentation, coloring, different things, layers, a lot of layers. Other people's artworks and interpreting them and changing them. This is my favorite page. Absolutely love this page. I love the watercolor paints that I used here. So I've just got a little bit more to do and then I can hand it in tomorrow. I filled a little bit more in on my diary. I'm really loving it and I'm really excited to be able to now finally pack all of this up and go to bed. I think I'm done for the day. I just need to pack up all of the work that I've just been doing, and I'm also going to hang out that other load of washing, but I'm done. Today was one of those days where time just disappeared and I really don't like those days, but I still feel like I got a lot done and I feel pretty prepared for the week. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this Sunday video. Up the top here, you can check out my last video. Down the bottom, I will leave a link to another one of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.